Hello guys, andito tayo ngayon sa Cebu White Sand Resort and Spa. So dito tayo nag-check-in guys. So pupunta tayo ngayon sa ating room. Ayan si Kuya, hinatid tayo papunta sa ating room. Ito yung ating room. Ayan. Ang ganda guys, napaka-relaxing yung place. Daming kahoy, daming punong kahoy.
Thank you, sir.
Ayan yung ating room. So ito yung itsura ng ating kwarto guys. Ayan. Maganda yung place. Malinis. Ayan. Tapos meron tayong balcony. Facing. Ayun. Ito yung swimming pool. Ayan guys. Ang ganda ng lugar. Ayan. Very relaxing. Ang daming punong kahoy.
Welcome to Cebu White Sands Hotel. Andun yung sea, hindi kita. Garden view. Okay. Room tour. Walang pa-welcome Halatang na hindi maraming.
Outdated. It's outdated.
Ito yung CR. Okay. Alam na this. Pagdikitin natin.
Ikot tayo guys. Ito yung ating pool area. Ayan, ligo tayo mamaya.
Morning guys.
Ayan, ikot-ikot muna tayo. Ang ganda-ganda ng lugar. Tapos ayun, ito yung beach area niya. Medyo maliit lang.
Yan, dito.
Ayan.
Ito yung beach area. Here at Cebu White Sands Hotel and Resort. Ito yung beach area. Dito kami mag-breakfast guys. Ito yung view. Ayan. Morning. Continental breakfast. Hi, good morning. Omelette. Ayoko. Gusto ko mag-rice. Yeah. Ano to?
Hard-boiled.
Pouch egg. Gusto mong puto Ay, chocolate. Hot choco. Hot choco po ito. Choco. Yung tableya. Tableya? Ayan, tableya.
Ito ang yung
Yeah.
sikwat.
Sikwate. This bread. Mga breads.
Wonton soup.
Wonton soup. Can I see? Okay. And then, congee. Meron din congee. Short for lugaw. Ayan yung handle niya. Lugaw. This is plain rice. Sige na, may kuha ka na. Garlic rice. Baked beans. Hash brown. And then this is Longanisa de Cebu. This is pork belly. Yes. And then this is daing. Fruits. This area. beach area. This is my breakfast. Kumuha ko ng fried rice. Ano na pangalan nito?
Hash brown.
Hash brown. Dried pusit. Longganisa de Cebu. Beef. Ay, hindi pala. Braised pork. And then bacon. Omelette. Puto. Fruits. Wonton soup. Okay. That's it.
Ito naman guys, yung view from rooftop. Ayan, meron tayong bar dito sa rooftop ng hotel. So, mag-unwind muna tayo dito. Ang ganda ng view. Makita mo yung buong Lapu-Lapu City. Ayan yung view. Ang ganda-ganda guys. Lalo na sa gabi. Ayan. Andun yung airport. Doon malapit. Cheers guys! Ito yung tama. Lakas ng sipa. Hindi ni sponsor guys
Second breakfast. Enjoy my eat.
Second day.
Second day breakfast. This is the view for second day. Still cloudy day.
Medyo may araw ngayon.
Yeah. So this is the view. See view again. See front. For a good breakfast. See? We have vegetable today. Chicken poppers. Danggit. And then pusit. Sausage. And then bacon. So still we have pouch egg. And then rice puto. I put some strawberries on it. And then this is my wife meal. And then you have sikwate. Hot choco. And then we have the water, of course. And then she have vinegar. Crab soup. Okay,
Crab and-
bye. Enjoy our meals.
Enjoy our eat.